Here we're going to show you how to remove the radio display and the touch panel from 2013, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool and size 7mm socket. The removal is very simple. It does not require any screws to remove at the beginning. You just open this compartment under the AC control, and then you insert your dashboard removal tool, and then just pop it off. Basically, you remove the whole AC vent with the controls, and these are the clips which is holding the unit. So when you insert your tool, you can just insert it close to this clip so it would pop out easily. And once you get the panel out, you just disconnect this connector. There's only one connector, and there are 4 mounting screws which hold the radio and the touch screen in. They are size 7mm, 2 on driver's side, 2 on passenger side. Once you get these 4 screws out, the size 7mm, then you can just remove the unit. And these are the connector for the back. And if you need any repair for the touch screen or the radio, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.